Working outside has never felt so cool. Check this out. So you've got this hat, you got a really wide brim hat, so you've got lots of coverage, and I'm sure you could probably hear them or you see them. I've got these fans blowing on me because you know what? It is summertime, it is boiling hot outside, and having just a little bit of airflow on your face feels so nice. And I'm sure you have noticed that we've got this really nice solar panel up here. So while I'm outside and this fan is running, it is actually being charged from the sun, which is so fantastic. You can also charge them by USB-C. They do have the little plug on there as well. This has 3 different speeds on here. Of course, it is also adjustable. I actually tried a different one from this brand, and you know what? They've completely upgraded this one because at first the brim of their hat wasn't strong enough to actually hold the fan, and it was just one singular fan. And now they have built it so, as you can see, it is not bending, it's not curving, it is holding up very nicely. And now I've got 2 fans. Of course, I love the positioning. It's not right in front of my face, so I can still do things. I can be hands-free and still staying cool. So if you are someone who's doing any work outside, you need to get one of these.